Hey there YouTube, so I'll come back at you again. Today I got my winnings. As I was saying, I got my winnings from Deemelo Knives' giveaway. Let's open her up. Honor that. Got my own custom knife. Working on. Get it. Back. Alright, let's open her up. Yeah. Alrighty, I've been wanting one of his knives for a while. DMK number 30. That is sweet. Love the handle. Awesome knife. I got some paper laying around here or something. Cuts pretty good. Sweet knife. Cadex sheath. Awesome. Awesome little necker. It is awesome that I won this because I've actually never won a giveaway and I put in for probably dozens. And I finally won one. So I guess my persistence paid off. Awesome little thing. This will probably be my neck knife of choice for now. I don't wear them too often, but when I do, they're cool. Okay, let's wrap this up. Don't know who this guy is. Check him out. Of course, I'm sure everybody does. It's my giveaway winnings from Deemelo Knives. It's been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Over and out.